You want to start a successful business, but you're also a bit of a homebody. We get it. Starting a business from home gives you the best of both worlds: flexibility, freedom, and autonomy, while working in your jammies all day. Home businesses are on the rise, making up half of the more than 31 million small businesses in the U.S. U.S.-based businesses usually have a lower startup cost, and owners are often happier and more fulfilled. So let's get started. Step 1. Pick your business name. You want something that's easy to remember and sets you apart from the competition. Remember, your business name shouldn't already be in use by another business in your state of formation. Double-check with Incfile's business name search tool. Step 2. Consider a DBA. A DBA, or doing business as, lets you do business under a different name. You may need one if you want to include certain locations or services in your business, or if you opt to do business as a sole proprietor. Step 3. Designate a street address. If you don't want to use your home address for business operations, a virtual mail service can give you a street address in any state and let you check your mail digitally from anywhere. Step 4. Name a registered agent. A registered agent is required to receive important legal documents on behalf of your business, and they must be located in your state of formation. Registered agent service is free for 1 year when you form your LLC with Incfile. Step 5. Get an employer ID number. An EIN is like a social security number for your business. You can file for an EIN through the IRS or let Incfile handle it for you. Step 6. Form your business. For most home-based businesses, an LLC is the easiest and most cost-effective choice. It protects your personal assets in the event of litigation and lawsuits. Best of all, you can form your LLC quickly and easily with Incfile for $0 plus state fee. Starting a home-based business isn't exactly easier than starting any other kind of business, but it doesn't have to be overwhelming either. Let Incfile handle all the paperwork so you can start running your home business today. Jammies are optional.